AI is taking over the world, but these 10 tools are on another level. We've all seen the headlines, the hype, the almost daily breakthroughs that feel like they're pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's easy to get lost in the noise, to see AI as this big, abstract concept. But what's really happening is that artificial intelligence is becoming practical. It's becoming a set of tools that you and I can actually use. What I've found are 10 specific tools that aren't just impressive for 2025, but are actively shaping the future right now. So get ready. We're counting down the 10 AI tools that will blow your mind. Let's get into it. Alright, coming in at number 10 is Synthesia. Traditionally, making a professional-looking video involves a lot of moving parts. It's time-consuming and expensive. Synthesia's whole pitch: eliminate most of that. Type a script, choose an AI avatar from their library, or create a custom avatar of yourself. Select a voice, and AI generates the video speaking your script. Realistic lip syncing and natural intonation. Not yet 100% indistinguishable, but shockingly close. The level of polish in minutes. For businesses, training materials, internal communications, product explainers, generate videos in multiple languages. In education, teachers can create dynamic, personalized lessons. It democratizes polished, presenter-led video creation, but it raises questions about authenticity and digital identity. As a tool, Synthesia is a solid starting point, a glimpse into a future where video creation is as easy as writing a document. And that's why it's our number 10. Next up at number 9 is a name you definitely already know: ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 5. Now I know what you might be thinking. We've all used ChatGPT, but the jump to version 5 is a quantum leap. We're moving beyond a clever chatbot into a true multimodal reasoning engine. Imagine a ChatGPT that can understand your text prompts, but can also see what you're seeing through your camera, hear what you're hearing, and process all of that information in real time. You could point your phone at your fridge and it could suggest recipes, then walk you through cooking it step by step. Conduct real-time research by pulling and verifying live data during a conversation, and even help you draft complex documents with higher accuracy and nuance. The conversational abilities are becoming so refined, the line between talking to an AI and a human expert is getting blurrier. The key is the move from a reactive tool to a proactive assistant, anticipating your needs based on habits, calendar, and projects. A cognitive partner that helps you think, create, and organize. The potential is immense. That's why the next generation of ChatGPT had to be on this list. At number 8, we have Midjourney. If you've seen any of those impossibly detailed, jaw-dropping AI-generated images online, there's a very good chance they were made with this tool. You give it a text prompt, a simple phrase or a wildly detailed paragraph, and it produces a set of high-quality images in a 4-image grid. Watch the grid generate, then upscale the one you like. Distinct, artistic, cinematic aesthetic. Fantasy, sci-fi, realistic portraits, abstract art. The richness and depth are breathtaking. The community aspect is huge. Users share prompts and iterate. Artists use it as a brainstorming tool. Graphic designers use it for assets and backgrounds. Marketers use it for ad visuals and product mock-ups. Architects use it for concept art. Need an astronaut riding a horse on Mars in the style of Van Gogh? It can do that. The ability to iterate on an idea so quickly is a superpower, and Midjourney delivers it beautifully. Coming in at number 7 is Runway ML. Runway is about supercharging the video you already have or creating entirely new video from scratch. Gen 1 lets you apply the style of any image or prompt to your existing footage. Make your video look animated or turn a cityscape into a futuristic jungle. Gen 2 allows you to generate entirely new video clips from just a text prompt. The quality is rapidly improving. There's AI-powered rotoscoping. Isolate a subject with a single click. Object removal and inpainting fill parts of a scene effortlessly. Automatic motion tracking and one-click effects give you a team of VFX artists at your fingertips. This changes the game for independent creators. Suddenly producing high production value content isn't a barrier. Runway ML democratizes complex visual effects and empowers a new generation of creators. Halfway through our list, at number 6, we have Jasper AI. In a world drowning in content, the pressure to write more, better, and faster is constant. Jasper is an AI writing assistant trained on massive data, but its real strength is templates and workflows. Blog posts, marketing ads, social captions, website copy, emails, video scripts. There's a template for that. You can teach Jasper about your brand, products, and audience so it maintains a consistent tone of voice. Instead of a blank text box, Jasper provides hundreds of pre-built templates to get you started. It takes on research and drafting, freeing you to focus on strategy and editing, augmenting writers, not replacing them. For creators, marketers, and small business owners, the time savings are monumental. Jasper is a productivity multiplier, helping people create better content at a scale previously unimaginable. Breaking into our top 5 is DALL-E 3. Developed by OpenAI, the same minds behind ChatGPT. DALL-E 3 represents a massive leap forward in quality and user-friendliness. It understands nuance and detail in your prompts, and its integration with ChatGPT is a game-changer. It pays attention to relationships between objects and nails composition where previous models would mash concepts together. It also has a built-in safety system to block harmful or explicit imagery. Integration into ChatGPT enables conversational prompt refinement. You can describe, refine, and iterate with natural language. This makes image creation accessible to everyday people and designers alike, from children's book illustrations to ad variations. By lowering barriers and increasing fidelity, DALL-E 3 is setting a new standard for AI image generation. At number 4, we have a tool that is quietly breaking down one of the oldest barriers in human history: language. While we've had online translation tools for years, they often produce literal, clunky translations that miss nuance, idioms, and flow. DeepL uses advanced neural networks to capture context and produce natural, human-sounding translations. It's the difference between something merely understandable and something actually well-written. For international business, academia, and travelers, better translations mean clearer communication, easier access to research, and smoother interactions. DeepL integrates into apps and browsers to make website and document translation seamless. By preserving cultural nuance and context, DeepL is making the world smaller and more interconnected. In a globally connected world, a tool that does this effectively is essential. Number 3. GitHub Copilot, the coder's best friend. Coding can be slow and meticulous, searching syntax, writing boilerplate, and hunting solutions. An AI pair programmer lives in your editor. As you type, Copilot analyzes context, the file, other files, and your comments, then suggests code. Write a comment describing a function, and Copilot often writes the whole thing for you. It keeps developers in flow, cutting time on repetitive tasks and helping teams tackle architecture problems. A great learning tool for new programmers, surfacing libraries and showing modern syntax. Teams integrate Copilot company-wide to accelerate projects and reduce bugs. By handling mundane code, Copilot empowers developers to be more creative and ambitious, a true force multiplier for anyone who writes code. Number 2. Soundful, the AI music composer. Finding the right music for your video, podcast, or stream can be a huge pain. Licensing, costs, or copyright strikes. Soundful creates custom, royalty-free music on demand. Select a genre, choose a mood, a key, and tempo. With those parameters, it generates a complete, unique track in seconds. It's a composed piece with structure, melody, harmony, and arrangement, not just loops. You can regenerate sections, swap instruments, and create intro/outro/background versions for your project. For YouTubers, podcasters, and streamers, Soundful is a game-changer. Endless, legally safe music tailored to your needs. It democratizes music creation, letting creators add professional polish without music theory or budget. Soundful provides an endless supply of high-quality, royalty-free tracks. Number 1. Replika, the AI companion. This might be a surprising choice for some, but its implications are profound. A personal AI companion, empathetic and supportive. It learns from conversations to develop personality and memory. Not a search engine or productivity assistant, a safe, non-judgmental space to express thoughts and feelings. People use it to practice social skills, explore emotions, or have someone to talk to when they feel lonely. Replika offers guided meditations, coaching sessions, and coping techniques, acting as a first step for those hesitant about traditional therapy. The idea of bonding with AI is complex and raises philosophical questions, yet its positive impact on millions is undeniable. Replika shifts how we think about AI, not just a tool, but a companion. For its ambition and unique focus, Replika is the most mind-blowing AI tool of them all. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that are not just concepts but are actively being used right now to create, assist, and connect. From generating entire videos with Synthesia to having a supportive conversation with Replika, the breadth of what's possible is staggering. Which AI tool blew your mind the most? Are there any I missed? Let us know down in the comments. I'll be reading them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.